Welcome back. Section number 2. We're gonna open up the rest of them. Let's do this one first since it's kind of obvious.
Fair enough.
Okay. So you have a ton of little parts and screws and bolts and fittings and washers and that.
Everything.
So that's what this bad boy is for. So it has 2 sections of shelves on both sides. One side we'll use for plumbing, the other side for electrical, and we'll put bigger stuff down at the bottom. Anyway, thank you, Vanna White. Take it away. Do you know who Vanna White is?
No.
Young kids. He's 19.
I know what VHS is. Is that close enough?
What VHS is?
Yeah.
As opposed to Vanna White?
Sure.
Have you ever watched Wheel of Fortune?
Not really.
No? Okay.
I mean, I like it.
Yeah, it's a game show basically where you get to guess the puzzle, and Vanna White is the name of the lady that does the fancy walk across and turns the thing when you guess the right letter. She turns the letter and scoots over to the other side and walks around, scoots over to the other side. Anyway, sander. This is the other part of the sander, which is a wind tool. We're not opening today. You'll have to wait for that. What do we got here? It's a stick to beat you with.
I'm almost the night here.
What the hell was I ordering?
Are you drunk?
I don't know. I could. Oh, this is the saw. I couldn't see the saw in the background. This is the Japanese saw. Cuts through wood. Can't get all the way through. So very cool. These were expensive too. We got tubes. Oh, hey. Do you know
My
who?
weasel?
Do you know who the tubes are?
Tubes?
The tubes.
Some
You ever
guy.
heard of the tubes? Really?
No.
Man, I'm feeling really old right now. I'm 54. He's 19. Don't take it all out. Put it back in.
I'm just
This is our vacuum hose, so that we can do it all behind the cabinets when we build it in. 2 1/4 inch fits with our 2 1/4 inch fitting on the metal vacuums. There. All right. Let's do the big one. Oh, this is heavy with stuff sticking out of it already. Oh, I know what this is. Can you guess? Tell me in the comment section below before I open it. Whoa. As it jams into the... Ooh, Speaking of 14-inch blades,
another one.
let's get these bad boys out of here. You know what these are, they're big 2-foot clamps. There you go. Height. This is our saw for our 80/20 aluminum. So it does all of our cutting. Specialty blades that you saw before. Let me see that blade. Let me show them again since this is a different segment. There's 2 of them. Look how big those things are. They're huge. Absolutely ginormous. I did order the 14-inch blade saw, right? Sure. Yeah, 14-inch saw. Probably. Let's make sure I didn't get the 12-inch one accidentally. What was that?
Nothing to worry about.
Nothing okay? Didn't see anything. Nothing to see here, people. All right. Right eyes. Here, you can have the little one.
I feel special.
You're special in my eyes. I'm breaking whatever's in here.
You got gloves.
You were saying you wanted some gloves?
Yes. I
There
did
you
not
go.
like fucking splinters.
Mouth?
Sorry. I really dislike splinters.
So we have a deal. He came out of the Navy, so he swears like a sailor. So I told him when we're doing videos, every time he swears and I have to beep him out, he has to do 10 push-ups.
We got Small batteries. Milwaukee sponsor.
Coming. This is your angle tool. So like when you have to
Oh yeah,
And you have
I've
to
seen that. Those are
cut
cool.
tile around, whatever, so you fix it like that.
Saw that on.
Not that we need it that much, but you know, I like precision, so I
I've
want
seen on TV.
as seen on TV. So remember I was telling you about that dado plate we opened up in the first opening session? So the dado plate we opened up in the first video?
Yeah.
The dado plate. These are the dado blades that go with it. These are what we will use to make all of our drawers and cabinets and all that good stuff. Another really expensive blade, by the way.
Those smaller chargers are weird to put in.
Okay. Are you still playing with that? These can probably go in the workbench, but we'll just put it down here for now. What was in that? Oh, okay.
Pretty neat. Goes both ways too.
Yeah. Okay, more stuff for the, well, these are for all of the ones we tear apart that, you know, we have to take out of the van, all the push nuts that you take out of the plastic that's already in the van.
Yeah,
In case we need to put something back and we tore it apart getting it out, we have replacements. And these are the little tools that we use to take those pieces out. So we've got those. See how this, you know those little black things right there on the side?
Yeah.
So this just sneaks up underneath it and pops it out.
Makes it a lot easier.
Oh yeah, big time. The screwdrivers just tear stuff apart. We are not about that. It looks brand new. Here's your, yay, Christmas! You don't need that?
No, I just use it for fun.
Just use muscle.
I like playing with knives.
Oh, and so when you're using the saw,
Yep.
here's for your hearing protection. You gotta have your earphones on.
Milwaukee!
We're gonna go deaf.
Milwaukee! Sponsor!
Which one's that? What is that?
Another hand, the rotor thing.
Oh, that's the router.
Yeah, rotor.
Ah, sweet. Nice. Cordless router. This thing is awesome.
We got an angle finder.
And expensive. $350 for this thing.
Sounds
I
nice.
think Milwaukee should sponsor us. Headphones?
And-
Headphones for the table saw?
Drive click.
Oh,
Torque wrench. Torque wrench.
Especially the metal miter saw. You're gonna need those headphones for that.
Yeah.
There's your angle measurer. So this will tell you when you see that. See that? So this is an electronic angle measurer. So when we want to figure out what the angle is of, say, a bar that we're mounting or something inside, it'll actually give us a digital readout telling us exactly what the angle of the dangle is.
Got our torque wrench.
Because you know you need more torque.
There we go.
Oh, hey. What? This is your friend, Austin. This will keep you from losing your bits and pieces on the table saw. So that it doesn't come back and bite you. Take one of them out. And not for dinner. You know what this is for? Yeah. Boing. Sorry, inappropriate matter. How's your children?
We're pushing stuff.
This is fishing line, dude. So we can go fishing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Got him! Reel him in! Reel him in!
That's a really bad reel.
It's fishing line so that when we have the floor down and we have those chases through them, let's say we forgot to put a wire in or whatever, we just feed this underneath the floor, tie off on the other end, and then pull whatever it is we need. either electrical wiring or what have you. We'll inevitably forget something one of these days.
Yeah.
Not if I
Over here we got our
can say about it, but
little kid building tools.
kid building tools.
Yeah.
Is that what they are?
Yeah, it's the off-brand build my kitchen tools.
They're all push sticks for the table saw, you Dorcas. Hey, we got an empty box of air. Safety first, okay? You're gonna have safety first here, people. Get your safety glasses on. You might lose an eye from a cardboard box.
I can see that happening.
Bueller, Bueller, Bueller. Any more? Any more? Milwaukee, call me. I'm like selling all your stuff here. So this is our sander. Big old sander. Love it. Okay, enough safety. Let's live recklessly.
Alright.
Your pads, you gotta wear your pads, dude.
Here's yours, small box.
Oh, I did the best one. Almost. I gotta order the air powered one of these. Oh, you missed the staples. We got staples.
Staples.
No, they're nails. They're nails for our
Everybody loves that.
Milwaukee finish nailer.
Nail them in the finish.
Finish nail.
Another blade.
Oh yeah.
Over here we got the Oblos.
How big are those?
We got the 10-inch.
10-inch. Oh, that must be for the miter saw over there on the ground. Or no, is that that's the table saw? That's the table saw blade. And the miter saw. It's both. Oh, and we got our sampler pack of rib nuts. The real cruddy kind. We're using different rib nuts than these.
Over here I got.
So these are rib nuts. If you can see that there. We got different sizes.
Over here we got the 18-piece set of the Allen wrench, the T-candles, as you can see. Nice one.
Oh yeah. We need those for the 80-20.
80-20.
80-20. 20-20 right here 30. 30-30 right here 40. Bueller. Man, this thing, look at that. It just, everything's gone to hell in the handbasket here. Anyway, rib nut gun. Rivet goes into the metal. You screw it into this thing here. Recording.
Recording?
Recording.
Good.
Let's stay on this time, okay?
Okay.
And get these cameras to stay on. Crying out loud. My rib nut gun. Did you get that? Did you get that?
Over here we got a deburring system. Really small package.
I'm sorry, what?
Deburring system.
I blacked out. What happened?
Deburring.
Oh yeah, those are the. So when you drill a hole in the metal, and it's got like little burrs and sharp edges on it, you take that thing and you. How's that go?
Yeah, like that.
Yeah. Okay. Hi.
Oh, no. Here you go.
Ooh. This is for the big battery cables because they are thick and they are tough to cut. So we got a ratchet.
Over here we got our nails.
Yep. For the Milwaukee brad nailer, 18 gauge.
Over here we got some depth gauges.
Yep, that's for the table saw. That's so you know how high your blade is, up and down, when you want to cut. Wait, let's get down in here. Oh, hey. This is our assembly kit for the saws, the table saws. So we have, I forget what you call these things, but a gate. So these are open and closed gates for the vacuum. So we only have one vacuum and we're gonna have 3 cutters. What does that say?